Hi everybody, this is Marco from USC Solutions, and today we are going to be installing the Mutoh 626 machine for one of our clients. Stay tuned and watch this installation process. Here we go. So we've just arrived with the machine. That's our trusty driver right there, Mr. Barry and Oscar, having a few words with him before we begin our installation. So here we are, the new Mutoh 626 UH object printer, flatbed UV. It's a real ideal printer for customers who are looking to print on customized gifts, souvenirs, and it's, again, as usual, made in Japan. So what we got to do in this case is you got to take this machine, and it's on a pallet right now, so we're going to carry it on both sides and place it right dead here in the center. But then later we've got to flip it around because the customer's door is way too small. So that's one of the challenges that we're going to face today. So as with all Mutoh machines, it is made in Japan. So it comes all the way from the land of the rising sun. So once again today we've got a beautiful cargo lift. It's always exciting to see cargo lifts of this size. It makes life so much easier to just go up in one trip. And we have our stand over here, which is going to be assembled, and the machine is going to be placed on top of that stand. So this is why we need so many people, because it's there are many parts to this machine, and we need to get everything done correctly. So here is Tausig getting the stand into position. Here comes the big boy. Now we have to flip it to fit it through this wall frame. Now this is going to be fun. And then here we are. That's the bed. Whenever we put a machine first, this is a cleaning liquid to use. So it flushes out whatever impurities that are there in the machine. You can see that this is the cleaner. So what does the wiper do?
So whenever you do the cleaning, the wiper will remove any residues of ink above the head.
This is the waste ink tank. So when this is full, it will indicate that's full. So now we are washing the lines itself.